Guys, this is the Speras EST SE, and it's tiny, but this little flashlight puts out up to 1500 lumens. It throws light up to 326 meters. It takes a rechargeable 14,500 battery and still disappears in your pocket. So if you want a compact torch that's actually got some reach, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Yes guys, this is the Speras EST SE, sent to me by Flashlite To Go. Now it's a small everyday carry flashlight, but the interesting bit is the output. You've got a maximum of 1500 lumens, a claimed 326 meters of throw, and it uses an SFT25R LED, which gives it that focus beam, rather than just a wide flood of light. That's a bit nerdy, isn't it? But you know what? You probably want to know. Now, this is more of a compact thrower, guys, than a general little keyring torch, so bear that in mind. And before we get into it, of course, Flashlite To Go did send this over for me to take a look at and give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know, whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So, yep, let's get it out of the box and see what we have. So guys, inside the box you get some instructions. Now they're pretty screwed up because how they managed to actually fit all of this stuff into this tiny little box, I'll never know. But you get the instructions. You also get a little bag which has got a USB-A to USB-C cable. It's got a lanyard so you can attach the lanyard to the back of the torch, and you get some spare O-rings, and that's about it. Now guys, the battery is pretty clever because it charges directly by USB-C. You don't need a separate charger, you just plug it into the battery and you're good to go, which is really handy. The light itself is properly compact. It's just over 9 centimeters long, around 60 grams with the battery fitted, and has this two-way pocket clip so you can clip it to your pocket or attach it to the brim of a cap if you need both hands free. Build-wise, guys, it's made from aluminium with a hard anodized finish, and it has an IP68 rating, so it should cope with rain, rough weather, and being used outdoors properly. Using it is simple. The button has a two-stage feel. A half press gives you light, a full press gives you strobe. For normal use, it cycles through the main brightness levels, low at around 100 lumens, medium at 800 lumens, and high at 1500 lumens. There's also an eco mode at 10 lumens, which is useful if you only need a little bit of light and you want the battery to last much longer. And that's important because 1500 lumens from a light this small is impressive, but it gets warm, pretty warm, and it uses a lot of battery life. Now, that's not unusual for something this compact pushing out that much light. So for everyday use, guys, medium is probably the sweet spot. It still gives you a strong beam, it's more comfortable to use for longer, and it won't drain the battery as quickly. But if you need that burst of power, just crank it up and you'll see quickly that for such a small torch, it has a surprisingly focused hotspot, and you can see it reaching out well into the distance. This isn't just a tiny torch for finding your keys, right? This is a useful bit of kit. So whether you're out dog walking, camping, dealing with power cuts, or just want to have small dependable light in your pocket, this bad boy is going to deliver. So guys, there you have it. The Speras EST SE. It's small, light, easy to carry, and puts out a lot more light than you'd expect for something this size. The beam has a proper reach. The build feels solid, USB-C charging on the battery is convenient, and the pocket clip makes it easy to carry or use hands-free. So guys, if you're looking for an EDC flashlight with serious output and a decent throw, this is a really interesting option. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick this bad boy up for around £40. I've seen it a bit cheaper, I've seen it a bit more expensive, but you know what, £40 for something like this is a bit of a steal. I'll leave the link to Flashlite To Go in the description, along with any pricing discounts and further information. And guys, if you have any questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Of course, it really does make a difference. And guys, if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Flashlite To Go for sending me this cool Speras EST SE flashlight to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.